What is a lifestylist? If you're like me, this is actually tea. Design your look, style your space, curate your own collection of belongings, and sculpt your family and your relationships with love. Welcome back. This is Kyla Getty Lifestyle, and today we are talking about going boho glam. Today's video could have a number of different names. One would be 5 ways to go boho glam. Another would be Homesense shopping spree. I am on my way out shortly to Homesense to purchase some fun items to style my living room. So today we're doing a bit of a room refresh, and for those of you who know me, my go-to style is more feminine, glam, more graphic even. I love pink, I love black, I love white, I love bling, glitz and glam. However, I have been embracing and loving this boho phenomenon. It's high time to bring some of that boho lovin' into my home. It's important to me not to completely recreate the space. I want to work with my true style and my true love for all things glam, but also to just infuse some elements to give me some of that flavor. Trends are going to come and go, and some we will love and some we won't. That's fine. Stay true to your own style. Okay, so I'm off to Homesense now, and I'm bringing my camera crew, aka my daughter Kate, who is home for summer holiday. It's a beautiful day!
Talk about forever, talk about the weather, to know any better. I just want to laugh until I can't breathe, midnight moonlight dancing.
So we're adding some boho flair into this look. We're also embracing the glam and the girly. How are we gonna do this? Well, let me tell you. So for any seasonal space makeover, it's a great idea to start with a large, bold focal point. Really make your statement in one fell swoop. A large painting of peonies, which are one of my favorite flowers. It still ties in the black, and it also infuses the room with some pink, setting the tone for the color palette. The fact that it is an organic is a bit of a tie into boho, but it also bridges boho and glam, which is perfect. Number 2 is to create a coffee table focal point. This is a lot of fun because it allows you to layer and bring in things that you love, and the best way to do this, I have found, is by starting with a tray on your coffee table. And the tray allows everything to be housed into one space, whether they're utilitarian items like your remote, magazines, which I love having out on the coffee table. They're pretty, they're graphic, fun to read, and full of inspiration. And by nature, they also can tie in the season, because if it's summer, you're gonna have some summer magazines on your tray. Okay, I'm not bossing you around. Then you can always add in candles, other decorative elements, things that really have no purpose but you just like how they look. And if you stagger heights and stack, you can really create your customized little artful focal point on your coffee table. Number 3, throw cushions. I love layering throw cushions on a couch. They are comfy, they are cozy, they give an inviting look, and they also allow you to add that burst of color and that burst of theme and texture and layer. I definitely think that it's a good idea to have some basic neutral kind of throw cushions that can bridge all of the seasons. Then you can stuff in fun seasonal pops of color or texture, fur in the winter, beachy in the summer. It allows you to have that plush look, which I just love. I hope that one always stays on trend. Number 4, glass. Anything reflective, really, even mirror, that's even better. It is definitely a way to add sparkle, which is that glam factor that can bridge into your boho look. Green glasses, sea glass, soft colored neutral glasses paired and layered with mirrored items or mercury glass can create that dimension, that kind of beachy, raw feel, but then you've got the twinkle and the sparkle. When the light hits it, that is the perfect way to merge glam and boho. Number 5, incorporating some rustic weathered wood items. This is full on boho. So for me, I am bringing that into the room by layering in this coffee table tray, which was a gift from my mother-in-law It's kind of got that like weathered, whitewashed, antique look. Still has a hint of glam if you ask. Number 6, wicker. Wicker can be in a white look, a whitewash look, or the traditional wooden wicker look, but it is definitely a great way to add texture and some function and some storage to your space, and it kind of has a little bit of that retro nostalgic feel. I definitely had some wicker in my home growing up in the 80s. Did you? Here I am looking for wicker at Homesense and loving it. I'm gonna just state 7 as accessories, touches that you can add. Books, old looking books. Books that you could even get probably from a garage sale or flea market. Leave the fleas behind. Why not recover them in some raw paper, craft paper, or something like that? Stack them and pose them in your space with the pages side out. Candles are a must for every room, any season, any theme, any color. To go boho, you could even just go simple, varying white candles, pillars in different sizes and shapes, and burn them, because those wax droplets and drips are going to add to that rustic look, kind of give you that like cozy romantic vibe. These prayer beads, I believe that's what they're called, have been everywhere for a while now. They really vary in price range. I was fortunate to find these ones for about $14. Flowers, a welcome addition to any room in any season. Depending on the flower, they can give a luxurious feel, the glam, or they can give the boho organic feel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you might have got even just a piece of inspiration for your own home. In the end, it all comes down to creating your own personal happy place. Now that we've shopped together, we're pretty much besties. Thanks for coming by. Mwah.
Talk about the weather to know any better. I just want to laugh until